All right, welcome to our first intro to physics. Okay, now whenever you're talking about physics, you're talking about describing matter. That's all physics means. You're describing matter. And the way that we describe matter is through quantities. All right, and every type of matter has its own different type of quantity. All right, so the first three fundamental properties are these three quantities: mass, length, and time. Now, mass, length, and time are the three most fundamental quantities. Mass, how much matter an object took. Mass, or matter, an object space it took. Length, how long the object is. Or time, how long it took for that object to travel or move. Okay? The symbol for mass is m, lowercase m. The symbol for length is going to be x. And the symbol for time is going to be t. Okay? The units for mass is kilograms. So the ball is 3 kilograms. We're describing this piece of matter here, and it's 3 kilograms. Or it can be 0.003 grams. Okay, that's also a unit of mass. And ounces is also another one. Length, we're talking about how long, so how tall the object is. So the object we can say is 5 inches. That's a unit of length. Or we can say the ball is a half a meter or 0.5 meters, m, lowercase m. That is also a unit of length. And then time, as you know, very simple: seconds, minutes, hours. And we use those every day. Those are units of time. Now, as you proceed into the next chapter, you're going to talk about how different quantities differ. So you're going to learn about scalars and vectors. All right. A scalar is the amount, is how much that object takes up. Okay. So the amount, for example, the mass would be 3. That is the scalar. We only care about the amount. A vector is the amount and the direction. So what that means is that if I were to kick this basketball to the right, it will have some type of speed, but also be moving in the right direction. So it'll still be 3. The amount is 3, but the direction will be east. So we'll say 3 kilograms going east. And really, this would be some type of unit of velocity, but we'll talk about that later. Okay? So mass is a scalar, length is a vector, and t is also a scalar. All right? And I'm going to put up another video to explain more about scalars and vectors. And actually, if you could, you can check into the channel. There's also some videos on there as well. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.